Hi everyone and welcome to Sarawak. Today's video is about making this. And this video is sponsored in part by my wife's willingness to put up with my shenanigans, and as such I made her this. So this is the design. Pretty simple, 3 trays identical and just put together one after the other with opposing angled beams and some wheels on the bottom, obviously. So let's get to making it. Okay, so this is how they're going to be set up. I'm going to have them spaced on the sides, and I'll just build around as I go. So I'll use my short pieces where I can to try and fit my spots. So I'll build piece by piece as I go, and I'll deal with the corners first, and this will give me about a 6 centimeter deep tray. If I do that, let's see, it should be 6 roughly. Yeah, about 6, a little over that. So as I build it up, that's what it'll look like. So I can mark these off. And just cut through as I go. Okay, set those up for 25 degrees. go. I'm happy with that. Pretty sure the wife will be happy with that too. Finished. Alright, so here we are at the end, and I'll give you the measurements so that you'll be able to make it yourself. This part here is 82 centimeters cut at a 25-degree angle, and that will give you the spacing and the right angle to keep them straight while staying in line. For this distance is 2 feet, plus each side has some 20mm wood on the side of it, and the boards used were 1x8s. For these thicknesses, you can use whatever you want in order to make the depth what you want it to be. I used 8 centimeters so that I would have a 6 centimeter lip, but if you want a deeper one or a shallower one, you vary that accordingly. Whatever depth you want, plus the thickness of your wood. So if you want 6 centimeters like I did, you cut it 6 centimeters deep plus 2 centimeters for the wood thickness at the bottom. This design, it is strong enough. It's not going to break as long as it's glued. It will hold together because of the cross design. So even though it looks like there's a lot of open area, it is strong enough. The weakest one is probably this one, but people aren't jumping on it. Well, I say that, I had my 6-year-old jump on it and it survived quite fine. So he's like that though, he's a little monkey. And other than that, 4 wheels on the bottom. To get these rounded over edges, you can either go to the real work of cutting the angles correctly, or you can just cut 45 degrees on each one, which will leave a bit sticking out, and you can just sand that off. It's only a tiny bit sticks out. So that's the easiest way of doing it. All right. Like it if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more, but most importantly, have fun making things. And hopefully I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.